What's up, guys? Today I got another video, and today's gonna be my latest pickup that I end up getting today. So far I was lucky enough to go to the Lego store today because it finally opened after a few weeks of it being closed. And today I ended up getting something kind of a little bit different. This is my first like Technic build, I guess you can say, and I'm getting a Speed Champion as my first vehicle Lego build, I guess you can say. And this one was only, I think it was about $15, I believe, it in the Lego store. It's the McLaren version. I really like that black and orange and a little bit of gray that the car comes with. Overall, it's really not a bad piece. I did enjoy the way the design was. And anyways, so for my next pickup, I ended up getting this thing from eBay. It wasn't really anything too crazy. I ended up getting this Ahsoka figure, which was pretty good quality, I thought. Unfortunately, it was as soon as I took it out the package and I moved the joints, well, not the joints, but I moved the legs to see, if everything was all good. Then one of the legs unfortunately broke off, so that was pretty unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to order a new torso piece for that Ahsoka minifigure. Not too much in break links, but still something unfortunate, and I wasn't really looking forward to doing it. So next I had this other eBay pickup, and I was lucky enough to get this one, I believe, for like $13 shipped. Although it's missing two of the other minifigures, really not something that's pretty negative in my opinion. I was kind of happy I was able to get it. So it's basically another walker that I have. It's gonna go nice with my 501st, and I'm waiting to pick up, or at least waiting for it to come in the mail. I did get a 501st battle pack, and that one I should get within the next, well, probably by the next video. So it was actually pretty nice, pretty clean, pretty basic stuff in the book, nothing really too complicated. It was already slightly pre-built, so it wasn't too bad. looking at the two minifigures that I have, it's very basic clones, nothing really too crazy. But overall, I'm pretty happy that I got this pickup. And if you guys like this kind of stuff I'm bringing to my channel, I'm basically just going to be doing some unboxing, some Lego pickups, and some Lego builds. So if you guys, like that kind of stuff, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video.